Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT error the network connection was lost on your iPhone or iPad. So let's jump right in without wasting any time. Method 1. Update the ChatGPT app. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. On the App Store, tap the search icon at the bottom right. Now type ChatGPT in the search bar. Here, if you see an update button next to the app, tap it to update. Keeping the app updated can often fix bugs and connection issues. Method 2. Turn off low data mode for Wi-Fi. Low data mode can sometimes interfere with network access. Here's how to turn it off. First, open the Settings app on your device. On the Settings, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network. Now go to Wi-Fi and tap the info icon next to your connected network. Here, make sure low data mode is turned off. Method 3. Reset network settings. If the issue is related to your internet connection, resetting your network settings can help. For this, open the Settings app. Once you are in the settings, find and tap General. Now scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode if asked and confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Now this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to reconnect after the reset. Method 4. Check date, time and time zone. Incorrect date or time settings can also cause this error. So make sure that date, time and time zone are correct in your device. To check this, again open the Settings app. Once you are in the settings, find and tap General. Then tap Date and Time. Here, make sure your date, time and time zone are correct. If not, correct it. So guys, that's it for today's video. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.